Bailey. Good morning, Bailey. Good morning. Mary Ellen's little girl. One of the little boys that's available. The other little salt and pepper that's available. And who do we have here? Who's this? It's Albus. Say hi. Good morning. Good morning. Here's Gracie. Say good morning. Gracie, say good morning. Here's TJ. Hi, TJ. Hi, TJ. Hey. Hey. Happy. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Here's Mary Ellen's little girl. Say hi, Mama. Say good morning. Bailey, say hi. Hi. Here's Bailey. Yeah, there, Bailey. Oh, good boy. That's a good boy. Hey, I know you want to be picked up, don't you? What you got in your eye? What you got? There's Lexi. Lexi! Lexi, right here. Lexi. Lexi, say hi. TJ. Hi, TJ. What? You went to play? Gracie wants to play. Yeah. Gracie wants to play. Sound like a cat, Bailey. Hey. This is one of the little boys still available. These two little salt and peppers. Right there. That one. And that one right there. That's the other one. Are just full of energy this morning. Yes, you are. They were just full of energy. Bailey. What you guys doing? Gracie. Gracie and Albus playing. Albus. Albus. Hey. Hey. Right here. Right here. Hey, where's it coming from? Oh, we're getting tired now. So that was about the burst of our energy. Yeah, see, we're getting tired now.